piping hot. We're all the way from Gaeta, as you guys know, and today we're gonna do it Italian style cooking.
Meat, caprese salad, fresh basil, and tomato.
Well, it's just olive oil and basil, but we'll just do it.
Look at this beautiful bruschetta brought to me by this non-Italian man.
You need to put those in and then put olive oil. Pig's bum. Definitely tastes like a pig's bum.
That's not very nice.
It was really good. I had seconds, and the fish was outstanding.
We've had two of the most ridiculous, crazy nights of weather, but it's been absolutely ridiculous. The weather was so bad that the fender blew off. Okay, and so first thing you say is, well, you didn't tie the fender. We did tie the fenders. So the jetty pulled back and the boat went forward, and I didn't think about taking the gangway off. The gangway fell in the water, and so it broke. That broke off, so we had them repair it here at the shipyard. So let's just get this thing back in here. There we go. So I actually thought that my knot wasn't good enough on this fender. But because of all the chafing, it broke the line.
We got a ride to go do laundry on the sailboat, and now I'm gonna go help Tiff on naughty jeans.
So they just told me that the water hose also broke because of the weather. See it there. Okay, we got a ride from a friend here at the marina, but paying €5 a load. Ouch. And this whole trip in Europe is about showing you guys how cheap we can do it. Alright, our friend just dropped us at the office, and now it's laundry time. Come on.
Okay, let's do the sea.
I have to get somebody that speaks English, because I don't speak Italian.
Hi, this is Bianca Can. We should put Bianca Can at the top. And we are trying to figure out laundry, but they speak Italian, and they said something about us not being able because it's full. We're on our way to Little Miss, and I'm having so much fun here in Italy, and I've always wanted to go here.
Alright, so this is Gaeta for you, and Aubrey's on the boat. She's editing vids. Today is my turn to hang out with the monkey. So look at this. I'm just going to keep walking now. Okay. This car is just stopping, and this one too. In Africa, you'll be dead. Ah. Yummy. Hello. How are you? Ciao, ciao, ciao. Come stai? Bianca, she says you're the prettiest monkey that she's ever seen in her life. Ciao, Bella. Okay, here's the deal. You can choose whatever you want. You can have half of it and the other half when your schoolwork's done.
Fine. That sounds like a deal.
Look at that pistachio.
I want that big donut and french fries.
Okay.
Wait, is there another big donut? No, I want that big donut in front right there. That big one. The biggest donut right there in front.
You're the biggest donut.
Not this one. That one. Way back.
That one? Wow, you did get the biggest one.
So we're going to pizza. Crawling through the hole. We've arrived at the pizza spot 4 seconds later.
The zucchini one.
Yeah.
Yummy. Stefan just bought us local red wine for €1. €2.
That's how you save money. Can you imagine how much you have to pay for a wine bottle? No.
That's good.
Yeah, why not? Like,
Why not?
the bottle of wine here is 14 euros. 14 euros for a bottle of wine. I got a €2 bottle of wine. If you want to know how to travel cheap, just come with me, man. I have rent. It's piping hot. And we paid 20 euros for it.
For 2 pizzas.
2 pizzas and a bottle of water and the service fee. Good morning, world. Ugh, it's very early. It's so nice to make a nice quick pit stop here in Italy. As you guys know, we're on our way back to Little Miss and I'm on my way back to my boat, Magic. Dr. Jane is having eye surgery currently. So I just spoke to Brittany, and Brittany is the girl that that you guys saw in the Africa episodes. Dr. Jane Goodall and Brittany works together, and we're supposed to have a Skype chat with Dr. Jane Goodall this week, but she just went in for eye surgery, so that's a bummer. Don't forget to use your water bottle there on the right.
Oh, our $2 wine. This was actually really good.
Wasn't it? Okay, so this is the problem that I have. She's from Napa. I'm from Cape Town. Two of the most world-renowned wine valleys in the world. She thinks it's Pinot Noir and I think it's Merlot. So this is something that you don't see on a boat all the time. I mean, just to prove to you that I am on a boat. Isn't that cool? Aubrey and Bianca has gone to the office and I'm washing clothes and I'm washing all the sheets for Tom.
I'll be ready.
So they don't speak the same language, but sometimes you run into really cool cruising families that have other children, and apparently you don't have to speak the same language to have a good time. So they're playing.
Today we're on our way to Rome, because why would you want to sail to the Med if you're not going to go sightseeing? Aubrey?
Yes?
Would you like some water?
No, that water did me in last night. Well, hello world! We are headed to Formia and then to Rome. We have to take the bus, then the train. And it's gonna be a little bit of a long journey with all of this crap. So last night we did not sleep at all. Okay, so we had an option of leaving in 5 minutes or leaving in 55 minutes. So we decided to leave on the cheaper train, which was €8 versus €18, which ended up saving us like 50 bucks. Okay, we have arrived at the Airbnb and it's a little bit sad in here. There's nothing in here. There's not even a sofa to sit down on. So we found a box of like dirty stuffed animals and we're decorating the house.
I think this bear should go here.
Hey!
What do you mean, hey?
Hi everybody! We're in Rome and we are doing the ultimate field trip for Bianca. She has always wanted to go see Rome and the Colosseum and all of the sights to be seen, and also ride a big red bus. So we're gonna take her on the most epic field trip ever.
So the reason why I always like the walking is that you get to see so much more. There's little shops that you pass when you walk that you don't never see when you're in a cab, and then also you're saving money. I want to tell you guys something.
Yes.
The more stuff that you buy, I will not carry that. I rest my case. Who is the packing mule here? Moi. Now that we have more things to carry, we're on our way to the Colosseum.
Look both ways.
Okay guys, as you can see behind me, we're at the famous Colosseum, and I guess this is the one that everybody wants to come and see when they're in Rome. Now there's two experiences to the Colosseum. The one is the building and the one is the Foro Romano. If you come here, go to the Foro Romano, which is the arch I'm going to show you just off my right side, and that's where you purchase your ticket. It's cheaper, and also you get to skip all the lines to go inside.
So this is the Arch of Constantine, and it is his victorious arch, and it is of triumph over the guy that probably has his head chopped off in the statue at the bottom of the arch. I'm not sure.
Yeah, Constantine erected this thing after he killed someone. Maximentius or Maximus, I think. Right, so there's two ways to purchase tickets when you come to the Colosseum. One is with credit card, which is the shorter line, which we're doing, and the one is the cash option, which is really long. So currently we're saving time, saving money by eating our lunch in line.
you after I get a coin.
Unicorn. Unicorna. That's how you say unicorn in Italian.
Yeah, unicorn. I am a unicorn.
Okay, it's the end of the day, and I have concluded that Rome is a very, very romantic place to come. But maybe not with a child.
Definitely not.
Anyway, we have seen a lot of the sights, and it's been really cool. This reminds me of that time I was in Africa, and they said don't stand on the toilet, sit. Now I do want to flush my Hope Streams goldfish, toilet paper, newspaper, phone bill down the toilet.
It looks like a lot, but it's not.
So what's happening now is that Jamie here is trying to name as many US states as he can for some reason.
In how many? What's the time limit?
I don't know.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
It's a 5-minute limit.
That's a long time.
It's a 42 state target.
How do you give someone a wedgie to kill?
Exactly.
How do you spell Dakota?
Almost like coyote, just different.
Unfortunately,
I know.
Memphis is a state of mind.
Memphis is a state of mind. I love that.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, Nebraska, 3, 2,
I just have to say that I know that we're trying to do this on a shoestring budget and we're doing this really on the cheap, but that doesn't mean that I didn't have the most amazing pasta, or we just made the most amazing pasta. So good. And everything I think cost us $4.50. Unbelievable.
Cheers.
Good job.
Thank you. This is our child when we try to have a conversation.
Absolutely.
This is Stefan.
No, that's not.
Yeah, this is Stefan when me and Mom were trying to have a conversation. One time me and Mom were having a conversation, remember, and you were listening.
Then you can try
I could work off of it.
You have it. It's kind of like that Vitruvian man.
Do you ship these out anywhere?
I will give you 10 euros. You take off your shoes, your jacket, your shirt, and you jump in there.
Thinking about it.
And you can buy whatever you want.
How many euros?
10 euros. Take it or leave it. Take off your shoes, take off this, that, and then jump in there for 10 euros.
Okay. I'll sit down there. My feet in for 20 seconds.
If you touch that lion's nose, I'll give you 5 euros. Go, touch the lion's nose.